Hello and welcome to your basic C# course with Visual Studio. And in this video, I'm going to show you where you can download and how to install Visual Studio Community. Visual Studio comes in many versions. You get the standard, the professional, and the community. The community is the free IDE and the one that we'll be using in this course. To download it, you need to go to the Visual Studio website. So go to your preferred browser. In my case, I have Google Chrome here. Go and search Google and type in Visual Studio. Click on the first option, visualstudio.com. Go to Visual Studio IDE over here and click Download for Windows. And we're going to be using Community. It will then download the Visual Studio Community.exe installation file. Mine is on my desktop, but yours will no doubt appear in your Downloads folder or your Documents folder. Once you have located the exe, you will then run it. You can then look at the terms and agreements, but by clicking Continue, you agree to them and move on to the next phase of installation. It will then install Visual Studio, which will open as follows. As you can see, it is loading the products that they have available, and the product we'll be selecting is of course the IDE Visual Community. You will then be presented with the following options. What you will then do is select the following: Net Desktop Development, Once you have selected Net Desktop Development, you then click Install. Once the installation is complete, you will then need to create an account with Microsoft, a live account, and log in with that. Once you have done that, you can start the program Visual Studio and begin programming. Before this video ends, I'm going to be showing you a way to customize the look of the IDE, so that way it is much more visually appealing. Having a stark white background when programming is a big flaw, which is why it's important that you adjust it so that way it suits your eyes. To do so, you go to Tools, Options, go to Environment, General, and then you'll see Color Theme at the very top of Visual Experience. I selected Dark, making it much easier to look at when programming. You'll then click OK, and the settings will be applied and the dark version set up. And there we have it. That concludes this lesson. In the next video, we'll be creating a project and writing our first line of code.